Hello friends, welcome to another video of my gardening. Today I'm going to repot this baby tears, or Irish moss. Before that, let's know about this plant. Plant type, creeping perennial ground cover. It's a low-growing plant with tiny, round, bright green leaves that form dense mats, making it look soft and moss-like. Prefers bright, indirect light indoors. Outdoors, it grows well in partial shade. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves. Can adapt to low light, but stems will be leggy. How to water. Likes consistently moist soil. Never let it fully dry out. Avoid waterlogging. Use well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Overwater leaves become yellow. Underwater leaves turn brown. For repotting, I'm using 20% perlite, 40% cocoa peat, and rest garden soil. To retain moisture, I kept some cocoa chips at Bolton and cover with the potting mix. I have chosen nice green stems for potting. Just use your fingers to push the stems into soil gently. Place the stems nearby to grow it bushy. Once planting is done, shower it with water thoroughly and hang in bright shaded area. These stems will start rooting in 3 days' time, and in 2 weeks you will see amazing growth. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!